those going through struggle, yet still trying their hardest to be positive. What's up, G4M gang? We hope you all are doing amazing, feeling positive, and of course, staying safe. Welcome back to our channel. For those who are new here, thank you for stopping by, and of course, we hope you'll enjoy today's content. This video is sponsored by MODELONES. We are super excited to bring you all this overdue review goodness. A huge thank you to MODELONES again for partnering with us on this collaboration that will feature their Sexy Mix Poly Nail Gel Kit. We're super excited to share this collection with you all. So of course, we can't be doing too much rambling today, okay? A huge thank you to all of our new G4M fam and subscribers. We see you. We appreciate you. To all whom have been on board since the beginning, welcome back. Lots of love to each and every one of you for your continued support. Now, if you haven't subscribed already, just so you know, it's okay. You know, we do allow U-turns here in our G4M fam. So feel free to go on and tap that bell and subscribe. And remember to hit that notification bell as well so that you don't miss out on any of our future uploads and the giveaway. We are hosting our second giveaway soon, which will include every glitter shade that we've ever created, whether it be cosmetic or nail, either or. So keep an eye out for that and hit that bell. So with that being said, we hope you enjoy, and let's get into some Polygel, shall we? If you're interested in purchasing any of the products featured in this video, please check the description box below, and there just might be a coupon code in the mix as well. So without further ado, and until next time, thanks for watching. Bye. Jumping right in, we did receive the MODELONES Sexy Mix Poly Nail Gel Kit that include detailed instructions for application with or without dual forms or the paper forms, 6-piece basic glitter shades, 12-piece assorted dried flower wheel with 2 to 3 flowers per shade, 12-piece assortment case of rhinestones, 180 branded hand file, 1 Sexy Mix branded Polygel dual-sided brush, 36 Pop-It dual forms, top coat and base coat, both 24 ounces each. You do need a LED or UV light in order to get these to work. 1 poly nail gel slip solution in 15 mils. 1 pair of eagle beak style tweezers. 3 Sexy Mix poly nail gels that does require a UV LED light for accurate application in shades pure white, light pink, and clear, and 94 double thick nail forms, and 10 individually packaged striping tapes in a variety of colors. So I chose to do this on, we're gonna call her Jennifer, because my nails are healing, too much abuse, you know how that goes. I do want to say that this Polygel was the easiest. I mean, the easiest to work with. I had already pre-prepped the silicone hand so that I could, you know, this video would have been super long. It actually was. That's why I'm moving so fast. Sorry. So on this nail, I just wanted to, you know, try to see how I could maneuver, get adjusted to it, acquainted, to see, you know, what it would and wouldn't allow, how far I could push it. I will say that it did not require a lot of substitution at all. Now, where I did have the product at, it wasn't too cold or too warm. It was just right. You really don't need a bunch of slip at all. And while I'm talking about the slip, it doesn't smell like alcohol, so I'm not sure what it is, but it is amazing. You will see me push this brush and this product to capacity, and it worked like a charm. So this is the pinky finger. I am just placing these stones. I did opt for the pink and blue look because I felt like doing some sort of like gender reveal, if I might say, you know, with all the quarantine and stuck in the house with your boo thing, it's a possibility that, let's just say, the children are our future. So I wanted to do a gender reveal style. I didn't see anyone else do that. I did some research, and it wasn't a lot of reviews on this product. So here you see me placing the stones, and then you see me just simply making sure they're pressed into the polygel. I am curing these as I go along for 60 seconds. When I do the stones, however, I'm only doing 30 seconds, and then I simply encapsulate. So I did leave that one nail that you saw me apply blank so that you can see the process from beginning to end. Had I did it with all the fingers, this video would have taken as long to make as it did Noah to build the ark. So here I am again. I wanted to try to do a little swervy, swiggly, stanky leg thing. It worked out for the most part. I liked it. I left a few gaps, threw some of the light pink in there. Even though these shades may seem basic, there was so many accessories, so many, you know, things that were included in this kit that were endless. That's why I was like, you know what? I mean, I do mix glitter for a living, so why not play around with that? But I didn't want to leave the stones out. I did have an idea for the tapes, but I got a 2-year-old. So moving forward, this one right here is just the same one. What can I give you about the product? As far as the rhinestones, even though majority were in the regular circular shape, I did see a few that were shaped differently. I won't say it was like in a negative way. It actually was good, but I just opted to use the regular circled ones. The brush was amazing. I know that when you're using polygel, your brush needs to be firmer than an acrylic brush. So the brush wasn't too soft. It wasn't too hard. It was a piece of cake. Pretty much it was, I opted for the 2-bead method because I just felt like it would work a lot easier than gunking a bunch of gel on the nail and then it being everywhere. You'll see me move it around a little bit if I have too much, and that's where I like use it on the other nail because, you know, we want to preserve and save. I'm really considering using this same product on my nails once I do put them back on. The flowers were not a problem. I didn't use the base to hold them down. I chose to use the gel just because it felt so good. You just wouldn't believe it. It wasn't hard to get out of the tube. It was just amazing. I did the blue stone on the pink flower. I did the pink stone on the blue flower, and then vice versa with the glitter. The pink glitter, I thought, you know, would have been a little bit more intense as far as color, the shade wise, but it actually had like I want to say a holographic touch. It's hard to explain. I'm only the glitter guard, right? But it's like it had some greens and some blues, and it just depends on how the light hit it. This was amazing. I enjoyed it. The white, most white is really hard to work with. I can tell right off the bat that this product has more gel than it does acrylic because of how easy it was. But the rations are amazing because, as you can see, I'm doing a marble nail with this white and this pink, and it moved beautifully. If you are wondering if I recommend this collection, you better get it, girl. It's good. You won't regret it, I promise. Also, when it came to my trying to blend the gel where the cuticle is, even on the sides, you know, sidewall to sidewall, it was very easy. the only thing that gave me a problem was the nails that I had in the silicone hand. There was no problem with this kit at all. The clear is super, super clear. And I'm going to say that this is my first time ever using Polygel. I've used Build-A-Gel. I've used, the gel builder in a bottle from the, it was just great. I was amazed, and I really feel like I cheated on my regular products because I kind of don't want to go back. But either way, I do not want to ramble through this whole video. I want you to enjoy it. I will say that it wasn't hard to dry. Like, you know how some polygels you have to like put in the lamp and then you're scared to like touch it because it's still wet. No, 60 seconds is 60 seconds. I don't care what language you speak it in. I don't care what clock you're using or what time frame you're in. It was great. The pink blended perfectly. I believe that the thumbnail, the pink looks a little awkward because the pink that I used when I went from the cuticle to where it, I just blended it with the white. I think that that's what made the glitter and the actual pink polygel do that color shift thing. But in person, it looks amazing. This video gives it no justice. And I only put the slip solution in a jar because I'm clumsy and I would rather use it than wear it, so that's why it's there. Yeah, if you can see how it's just easy to maneuver. It's so soft yet firm. If that makes any sense at all, it probably sounds weird. But yeah, the thumbnail, I love thumbnails because they're so big, you got so much room. Encapsulating was lovely with this finger. I just like, I turned it to the side. I was able to, to build the apex. I didn't build such a huge one because it's on a silicone hand. Had it been, a client or myself, I definitely would have. But this again was just to test out the quality of the product. So I chose, after I encapsulate everything, I flip the nails over and you'll see what I do next. Yeah. So I figured that how can you do a gender reveal with, what was the point? So I chose the teal/turquoise shade to announce a boy, and I chose the pink shade on the underside of the nails to announce a girl. I just put some gel in, a little bit of base coat down, brushed off the extra, and capped it off with the clear gel to encapsulate it. Let it dry for 60 seconds in the lamp. Every item and part that I use in this video is Modelones. It came in that Sexy Mix kit. And filing it, I will say, I didn't want to use my file because it was beautiful, but I used it. That was easy. But I did use my e-file to really get in there, and it filed beautifully. It was a piece of cake. This was amazing. It was so much fun. I oiled her up, she paid me, and I sent her on her way. Thanks for watching. You guys are amazing. I'll talk to you later. Bye.